drive.
Oh, I see bits of London that I recognise. It's Canary Wharf. Yes.
This is what public transport is about, waiting.
Drive. He's got a Bugatti, we've got a bus.
All those tunnels I've been in today. Smooth and neat and big. This one looks like a public convenience.
Whatever comes up behind us could be a Bugatti.
That was the old bridge, yes.
Yeah.
This is the city. This is the city.
There it is. We're minutes away. We're minutes away. Go.
Another red light.
James!
Yeah, I'm coming.
That's it!
This is it. It's the NatWest Tower. I'm here. Are they here?
Come on.
Trouble. The tower was a maze with no direct lift from the bottom to the finish line on the 42nd floor.
B to 21.
21. Transfer to something to go to 42.
Yeah, that makes sense, look. B.
In.
Transfer to lift group D.
Well,
Why don't they just have a lift?
go. Arrows, this way.
Right, no, hang on. That's not it.
Oh.
Excuse me, do you know how to get to 42?
41.
41
Is
it
as high as you can go in the lift.
41 and walk. Okay, thanks ever so